In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook error 1001. This error usually relates to corrupted cached credentials or a damaged Office installation. We'll cover two reliable methods to resolve it. First, ensure all Microsoft Office apps are fully closed, including Outlook and Teams. If either is minimized in the system tray, right-click their icons and exit completely. With everything shut down, open File Explorer and navigate to C:\users left bracket your username right bracket /appdata /local /Microsoft. If you don't see app data, enable hidden items in the View tab. Inside the Microsoft folder, locate OneAuth and Identity Cache. These folders store cache sign-in tokens and identity data, which can become corrupted and trigger error 1001. Delete both folders to force Outlook to recreate fresh copies. For safety, you can drag them to your desktop instead of deleting. After clearing the cache, reopen Outlook. You'll be prompted to sign in. This is normal. Enter your credentials, complete any verification prompts, and let Outlook finish syncing. If the error is resolved, you're done. If not, keep the backup handy. If clearing the cache doesn't work, repair your Office installation. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps or Apps Features, find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, select it, and choose Modify. You'll see Quick Repair and Online Repair. Quick Repair is fast, works offline, and often fixes minor issues. If the problem persists, run Online Repair, which replaces corrupted files and is more thorough. Follow the prompts and let the repair finish, which may take some time. If error 1001 continues, uninstall Office completely and reinstall the latest version from your Microsoft account or official source. After reinstalling, sign back into Outlook. A fresh installation usually resolves stubborn issues. Following these steps carefully will resolve Outlook error 1001 and restore smooth functionality.